Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a brief color test. I have three cameras. Two of them I had just laying around, probably like some people have. The main one is the Canon R5. The next one is a Canon RP. And then I have a Fuji XS10. So I have these three that I'm using. Then I have three monitors. Each camera has its own monitor. So what I'm trying to do is, now I know this camera on this side is dark. So let me turn on some other lights. I think this one will still be dark, but hang on here. Okay, now that should have brightened up the R5 and the RP. But I think that this one over here, the Fuji XS10, still needs another light. So I think it's still dark. Darker than the other two, because I had the light kind of in between the RP and the R5 with the XS10 off to the side. So I'll have to get another ring light for that one over there. So I have one coming tomorrow. Today's 4th of July. They don't deliver today, which is fine. They need their times off also. So I'm supposed to get it tomorrow, Saturday, but I have a couple of appointments to run tomorrow, so I won't get into it until tomorrow night, which means probably Sunday I'll be able to upload a video showing you the light on this one over here. And that should light up this whole area here from both sides. Because the one light, I haven't turned up all the way, but it just can't get over into this one section over here. So hopefully that will correct the problem. Quick message. I'm still looking to find out how to do chapter markers so people could skip ahead if they don't want to listen to something. Because I want to do both PTSD information on this channel plus my video. So I think what I'll do is the first part of the video that I record is going to be the video of the different places and everything that we go to. The second part of the video will be the PTSD part. And I'll try to separate the two. And then that way, if you only want to listen to or look at the video part, you have a way to distinguish the two. That'll be because it's in the first part, and the PTSD is going to be in the second part. So quickly, the thing that I want to say about the PTSD is I told you I had arthritis in the 7th to 6th vertebrae of my neck. That gives me trouble from time to time. Right now, I feel fine, don't have any trouble. I went to Loma Linda yesterday and saw the doctor, and she said that there's 3 things that they can do for some kind of temporary relief. They can give you a shot, which I said, no, thank you. It doesn't hurt that bad. They could operate, and I said, no. I didn't really ask her what the operation all entailed, but I'm not ready to go that way. Or acupuncture. I said, well, I've heard good things about acupuncture. Let's give that a shot. So she's going to set that up for me, and they'll call me in a week or so with that appointment. There again, I'm 100% VA disabled, so I don't pay for any of this, and I don't even have a copayment. So if anybody wants to know specific information about that, let me know. I've been doing this for 15 years. Then the other thing I've been telling I have down about the middle of my back, because my posture is pretty poor. I don't know if it's psychological, if there's something there. So she ordered a spine x-ray. I got that done yesterday at Loma Linda also. That, she said, it would be about 6 weeks before I knew anything on that, unless there was something that needed urgent attention or urgent repair, she would call me right away with that. So I could wait 6 weeks. I mean, I'm not dying, for crying out loud. So 6 weeks isn't too long to wait, unless there's an emergency, and then she'll call me and let me know. So I've got that to look forward to, and then I have 12. No, I have 10 appointments between now and April of next year. Now the 10, 8 of them is for dental. Here again, you can only get dental like I have if you are 100%. I'm having a crown put in up, I mean a bridge put in up at the top, and I'm having 2 implants put in here. There again, it's all free, no charge to me. I don't even pay a copayment on those. So I just want to bring that to your attention that if you're 100% disabled, the dental work don't be afraid. That's all free. You can get that done easy. So just wanted to bring that up. Didn't want to expand on that a lot because today is really just a 3-camera color test. That's what I'm doing right now. So let me go ahead and sign off on this and get into the editing bay and start chopping up this video and posting it today. It'll go up today, Saturday. Today's the 4th of July, so it'll go up today. Should be up in a couple hours. So just want to let you know. So thank you for listening, and there'll be more to follow. Thank you.